Hello everyone, my name is Happy Amalia and my friend,
My name is Nurhasana.
Step 1. Analyze business transactions. The first stage carried out in the accounting cycle is transactions analysis. The point is to show the existence of transactions activity accompanied by a description of the product and its monetary value. Transactions example. Number 1. Mr. A established a company with an initial investment in the form of cash of 5 million. Transactions analysis result. Number 1. Initial investment by Mr. A. Debit cash 5 million. Credit Mr. A's capital is 5 million. Mr. A deposit cash as the company's initial capital. Step 2. Journalize the transactions. After analyzing the transactions, the next point is to record it in journal. The meaning of journal in accounting terms refers to a notebook in which transactions are recorded. Record transactions. Write down the date, accounts, and amounts in the journal format. Debit is recorded in the left column. Credit is recorded in the right column. Step 3. Post to ledger accounts. The next stage in the accounting cycle is the transfer of records bookkeeping from the journal to the ledger. Ledgers are used to categorize all financial transactions into specific categories such as cash, payable, receivables, capital, and others. Post into the ledger. Post transactions. Transfer data from the general journal to the corresponding ledger accounts. Step 4. Prepare a trial balance. It is the fourth order in accounting cycle. Its function is for data validity and checking the similarity of debit and credit data after posting in journal and ledgers. The balance sheet includes assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. Classify accounts. Separate accounts into the following categories: assets, e.g. cash, receivables, equipment; liabilities, e.g. payables; equity, e.g. capital, retained earnings.
Step 5. Journalize and post adjusting entries. Adjusting entries are journal entries made when there is a change in the balance of an account. The first stage, compiling a balance sheet before making adjustment. The second, prepare an adjustment journal. In the second stage, you just prepare an adjustment journal. In making adjustment, three are accounts that you must adjust, such as income, expense, and equipment. Identify transactions that need to be adjusted. Calculate the adjustment value. Example of an adjustment question. Example number 2. Insurance expense already incurred. Cleaning equipment insurance 135,000. Delivery equipment insurance 185,000. Choose the right account. Journal adjustment. Example question number 2. In debit insurance expense for cleaning equipment 135. Debit insurance expense for delivery equipment 185. And credit prepaid insurance 320. Step 6. Prepare an adjusted trial balance. This trial balance after adjustment is too much, whether the debit and credit balance are equal or not. The trial balance after adjustment is arguably the main reference in preparing financial statements. See column Adjusted Trial Balance. Adjusted trial balance combines the initial trial balance with the adjustment to obtain. Step 7. Prepare financial statement. These reports are used to provide an overview of the entity's financial position, performance, and cash flows. Financial statements generally consist of several main components, namely balance sheet, income statement, cash, and statement of change in equity. Prepare the income statement, statement of change in capital, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Use data from the trial balance after adjustment.
Step 8. Journalize and post-closing entries. A closing journal is an entry made at the end of an accounting period to close temporary accounts, such as income and expenses.
The income account moves the balance of all revenue accounts to the profit summary account. Close expense accounts move the balance of all expense accounts to the profit summary account. Close profit summary account and close dividends. Step 9. Prepare a post-closing trial balance.
Post-closing trial balance is a report prepared after all closing journal entries have been made. Its purpose is to ensure that the total debits and total credits in the general ledger are balanced after all temporary accounts, such as income and expenses, have been closed and their balances transferred to permanent accounts, such as retained earnings.
Here are the brief steps to prepare the post-closing trial balance. Close the temporary account. Retrieve permanent account balance. Set up format, enter balance, calculate total, verify, and present report.
We all be sitting, that's my body.